Okay, enough of the memes. I want to talk about what actually happened with the Cloudflare incident that caused 50% of the internet to go down. Many internet applications, including ChatGPT, went down on November 18 because of a Cloudflare outage. Some of you might have seen this when you access sites that day, especially if you access them between 11:20 and at about 3, I'm guessing American time. The incident was so bad that the CEO and co-founder of Cloudflare, this third-party service himself, wrote an entire report about it. But honestly, the report is pretty technical, and even I struggled to get through it. Like, shit is technical when I, a software engineer, had to break out the notebook and start writing. But I'm gonna do you the favor and simplify things down for all of you here so we can all understand what actually happened. I'm not gonna explain what Cloudflare mainly does. I'm gonna leave it to my friends at RegTech to explain that. Essentially, it's a common third-party service between you, the user, and the origins of the website you want to access. So this third-party service is a collection of services, and the service that caused the failure here is called the Cloudflare Bot Management Service. Basically, it filters out bad bots that are trying to access websites and prevents them from accessing the website. Good bots include bots that crawl through websites to find keywords to allow you to search them easier in search engines. Bad bots are more malicious in nature, such as bots that take content illegally, or they hoard inventory like, say, concert tickets and other types of cyber attacks. So now, how does this bot management service know what's a bad bot and what's a good bot? It does this by training a machine learning model, a type of AI service, with characteristics of bad bots and good bots. So this model will use the patterns of these characteristics to filter out what are bad and good. Now the thing is, these patterns evolve every single day, down to the minute. Malicious bots will use one strategy today and then a different strategy the next day. In order to keep this machine learning model updated with these new attacks, it is fed with a file that contains a consolidation of all these characteristics and updated almost every 5 minutes. Thing is, it is tedious for somebody to be behind the computer and writing and updating this feature file every 5 minutes, right? So what actually happens is that there's a database, an Excel file if you will, that is constantly updated with all these new traits of the new malicious bots. And it's not just one database, it's usually a cluster of databases. Now for the consolidation of features to be automatically generated from this cluster of databases, Cloudflare uses an application called ClickHouse. So what ClickHouse does, it manages a bunch of tables. Say this table that has Amazon reviews and it contains information on review date, marketplace, customer ID and all. And to get information from all of these tables, you can execute a query. A query is written in SQL code, and this is what it looks like if you want to get the first 100 entries in the Amazon reviews table. Now that was an easy query, but queries can be so long like this, especially when you want to find correlations between and across tables using things like join. Now one of the queries that was involved